how to create a PDF in Photoshop. Now first of all, I'll open Photoshop, and as you can see that this is the picture which have multiple layers here. Now first of all what I'll do is I'll simply go to this option and select export. Now I will select layers to files. Okay, now I will select the a folder here. I'll create a folder here. Let's say new folder. I will select PDF. Okay, so now you will have to select this to JPEG and quality to maximum. Now these all layers will be exported individually into a JPEG. Now I will select run, and it will take a little bit of time, and it will simply export the images. Now it's working. Export was successful. Now what I'll do is I will close this and select file, automate and PDF presentation. Select this. I will browse, and here I will PDF. I will open this, and I will simply select this all of these files, because as you can see that these all was layers, but now they have been into a proper form. I will select open, and background white, whatever you want to select, font size 12, notes, multi. Make sure that you have selected this option, multi-page document. I'll select save, and I will select this on desktop and untitled save. High quality modified. These are basically the settings. So it is taking a little bit of time. It is basically converting them, as I have told you earlier, the layers into the images. So yeah, let's open this, and as you can see that PDF has been created. So this is how to create a PDF in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.